Heating and cooling for incubator chambers. Incubator chambers are used in research laboratories to grow and maintain cell and tissue samples under controlled conditions. Temperature, humidity, and other conditions such as CO2 levels must be accurately controlled to create the optimal environment for cell growth. Thermoelectric coolers and assemblies provide an efficient, environmentally friendly, and cost-effective solution for high-precision temperature control of incubator chambers. Maintaining a stable temperature of 37 degrees Celsius is critical for cell growth in experimental and research work. While cold temperatures will significantly slow down cell growth, hot temperatures will ultimately cause sensitive proteins to denature. For CO2 incubators, it is important to maintain relative humidity levels between 95 to 98% and CO2 concentrations ranging from 0.3 to 19.9%. Incubator chambers require a thermal management solution that provides rapid cool-down and heat-up ramp rates for precise temperature control. Space constraint is one of many thermal design challenges with incubators, as the size of the cooling unit must accommodate the cooling capacity required. Higher cooling capacities will require larger cooling units, including a high-performance heat exchanger. The cooling unit must also have integrated fans to improve airflow throughout the chamber. To minimize variability between samples, incubators use air-ducted shrouds to distribute air evenly throughout the chamber. Due to the high humidity environment, fans and other components must be protected from moisture that can cause corrosion. Gasket sealing, insulation, and routing condensation will limit the component's exposure to moisture. Dust is another concern for incubators, as dust can accumulate over time in the heat exchanger assembly and cause the thermal resistance to increase. This risk can be eliminated by using air filters and keeping air inlets away from the floor. In addition, government restrictions of traditional and natural refrigerants are driving incubator manufacturers to seek more environmentally friendly alternatives to compressor-based systems, such as solid-state thermoelectric technology. Thermoelectric technology offers several advantages for incubator chambers, such as rapid cool-down and heat-up ramp rates. It also helps keep samples safe from temperature changes. Thermoelectric coolers utilize the Peltier effect to move heat from one side of the module to the other. By reversing the polarity of the thermoelectric cooler, it can also heat inside the cabinet. The ability to heat or cool allows for precise temperature control. Thermoelectric cooler assemblies allow design engineers to start with a basic set of building blocks, mating fans and thermoelectric coolers to heat exchangers. Offering a capacity of up to 400 watts, thermoelectric cooler assemblies can meet the demands of larger chambers. This illustration shows how a thermoelectric heater-cooler assembly is integrated into an incubator chamber. The thermoelectric assembly is mounted between two air heat exchangers. In cooling mode, air inside the chamber will circulate across the cold side air heat sink. The thermoelectric cooler absorbs the heat and pumps it out to the hot side heat sink. The hot side air heat exchanger circulates air to the ambient environment. The opposite will occur in heating mode. The combination of a closed-loop integrated temperature controller creates a highly responsive, accurate, and precise thermal management system. Temperature controllers can accommodate a variety of control options to offer energy savings and safety alerts. Assembled with advanced thermoelectric materials, the high-temp ETX series of thermoelectric coolers offers a 10% boost in cooling capacity compared to standard thermoelectric coolers. It also features a higher thermal insulating barrier, creating a maximum temperature differential, delta T, of 83 degrees Celsius. The high-temp ETX thermoelectric cooler is designed for high-temperature environments and for applications such as incubators, where both heating and cooling is required. The Supercool series of thermoelectric cooler assemblies enhance cooling performance by up to 90% compared to competing heat exchanger technologies. Available in liquid-to-air, direct-to-air, or air-to-air versions, the Supercool series offers heat pumping capacities from 110 up to 407 watts. The patented design features moisture-resistant insulation that prevents condensation from penetrating the chamber cavity, and high-performance heat exchangers, thereby efficiently dissipating the heat into the air. The assembly can be easily mounted onto vertical walls using fastening machine screw hardware. The Supercool series can be combined with an SR54 or PR59 temperature controller to provide maximum temperature stability. The SR54 is a bidirectional controller providing temperature stability to within plus or minus 0.5 degrees Celsius of the set point in both heating and cooling modes. This combination allows the incubator to reach the set point temperature quickly without overshooting. Users can easily monitor and track potential issues to maximize incubator uptime. The PR59 is a precise temperature controller, delivering control stability to within plus or minus 0.05 degrees Celsius and can be used with software to program temperature set points and other parameters using a graphical user interface. Incubator chambers require thermal management control to maintain optimum temperatures for cell growth. Thermoelectrics provide a more efficient, reliable, and environmentally friendly solution than conventional compressor-based technologies that are being phased out by governments. The high-temp ETX and Supercool series offer both heating or cooling in a compact form factor and reliable solid-state operation with low total cost of ownership and maintenance. Combining a Supercool series thermoelectric cooler assembly with a temperature controller provides precise temperature control at the desired set point for precise thermal management. To find the optimum thermoelectric device based on your requirements or read our application note on thermoelectric cooling for incubators, visit lairdthermal.com. Laird Thermal Systems develops thermal management solutions for demanding applications across global medical, analytical, industrial, transportation, and telecommunications markets. We manufacture one of the most diverse product portfolios in the industry, ranging from active thermoelectric coolers and assemblies to temperature controllers and liquid cooling systems. Our engineers use advanced thermal modeling and management techniques to solve complex heat and temperature control problems. By offering a broad range of design, prototyping, and in-house testing capabilities, we partner closely with our customers across the entire product development lifecycle to reduce risk and accelerate their time to market. Our global manufacturing and support resources help customers maximize productivity, uptime, performance, and product quality. Laird Thermal Systems is the optimum choice for standard or custom thermal solutions. Learn more by visiting lairdthermal.com.